tack, tick tack.
You did it?
Yeah. You did it?
Are you happy? You like your horsey?
Yeah. Bang! That one is the bad one.
You want to open another present?
I did it, Mimi.
You did
Yay,
it.
good job.
Do you want to open another one?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Lots of presents.
Just sitting at the table like he's a member of the family.
Open it up.
What's this for? Is it for me?
How does he know how to undo that?
Mimi help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Open this one right here. Open it. Pull. Pull. Use your muscles.
For me?
We're going to do that one in a second. And you can give it to him, Tavish, okay?
Is it mine?
Get it
You
out.
get to give it to Pearson.
Get it out.
Is it mine?
It's yours to give to
Help.
Pearson.
Yeah.
Okay, Mimi help.
It's the one that you wrapped.
Yeah, she's my leg. Give it.
Okay, get it out. Oh, you're getting oh.
Which one did Tavish wrap?
Oh, what's this?
Which one did Tavish wrap?
No.
Big one?
What is this?
A new airplane musical.
You want to pull it out, Pearson?
Yeah.
Okay. We have to be very careful with this one, okay? All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Make
you
sure
ready?
keep the boxes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will keep the boxes.
Oh,
Ready?
watch that one. Woo!
Ooh, airplanes go round and round.
This right here.
Ready?
This right here.
Yeah, do you want to try it, Pearson, Tavish? You pull it, pull this part, pull this lever back towards you. Pull it toward you. All the way. Good. Oh, 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 oh. Careful, don't hurt it, baby.
Me too.
Don't touch, just look.
Let's try again. No.
Pearson, do you want to try again?
Yeah.
Okay, pull this way. Ooh, careful, careful.
Where's my
The airplane?
You gotta be careful with those airplanes. Can you pull this one?
For me? Is this one mine?
No, not until your birthday, buddy. Okay?
Your birthday's coming up next month.
Yep. And then you'll have lots of presents just like Pearson has today, okay?
Can I have a present?
You got a couple presents.
Mimi has one more for you.
Okay. I did it, Mimi.
You did it!
Did it! Good
Yay!
job!
High five!
Yay! Do you like those airplanes?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he really did just do that. He really did. Just look.
High five!
Shall we have both of them go at the same time? Wonder how soon we're gonna lose this key.
Let's just only do it like at nighttime or something. Pull it all the way back. Good job.
I did it.
You did it.
Now they're both going. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I love tin toys. Careful. Put your hand down here.
Maybe can give me another surprise.
In a minute.
In a minute, okay? Let's let Pearson enjoy his surprise.